Like I mentioned before, we're going to move this code into a separate file. We don't have a lot of JavaScript right now, but as we continue to template our site, we'll want to be able to pull in specific JavaScript that's common across all pages. So having this in a separate file is critical for that. It will also allow us to minify this code later, which again will reduce the file size. So let's create a new file for this, and we'll add that file as well as our JavaScript files that are currently in our footer over to our grunt file here to add to our concatenation. So I'll go to our file system and let's add our JavaScript in this JS folder for now. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to delete our manually created JavaScript files and I'll create a new one and we'll just call this global.js. I'm calling it global, suggesting that this JavaScript will be included on all pages of the site. I'll open this up in my editor, and I'll cut the code that's in index.html and remove the empty script tag, save it, go back to our global.js file, paste it in, and save it, and then I'll add this to our grunt file. So I'm just going to copy a new line here and empty out the quotes, and this is in our JS folder, and it's called global.js. Notice that I'm keeping the order of our JavaScript files and our JavaScript code the same as it is in our index.html file. For the most part, the order doesn't matter an awful lot, but in a couple cases it does. Our jQuery file needs to be at the top so that our jQuery plugins can leverage it, and also our JavaScript needs to occur after we load in these different plugins.